In this video clip, I'll be talking about work area safety. First off, you always want to make sure and keep your work area clean. Any type of debris or sawdust that may have accumulated can form a trip or a slip hazard. Next, you always want to make sure that your work area is well lit. Working in a dark area is just inviting disaster. Now, since this is a power tool that you plug into the wall, there's always the chance of sparks, and if you're working in an area where there's lots of dust, a spark could ignite the dust, or if there's other type of combustible materials in the air, that could be a big problem. And lastly, you always want to keep any bystanders, children, or visitors away while you're operating the tool. Distractions could cause you to lose control. Additionally, a chunk of wood or material could fly off and potentially hit someone.